Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And you are looking at a 24 by 24 inch canvas that I primed with my black acrylic paint made from Artist's Loft and Walmart Onyx with Deco Art pouring medium, Floetrol, and GAC 800 in it. And I originally applied it with a large OXO omelet turning spatula. Probably 2 coats, maybe 3. I know I got a booger there. This is an acetate sheet. It's roughly half. Was really kind of an interesting thing to try, and it's a little dangerous, that serrated edge I have there. I need to take a file to it. But I wanted to try and get a flat edge. So I've got 3 flat edges and 1 serrated edge. Anyway, so my plan is that I've got my dustpans and my shovels resting over to one side, and a third one. And I really want to do some weird stuff, starting with putting my glasses on. That'd be a good weird thing. Alright, so I've been thinking about this, and when I do a shovel pour or a dustpan pour and I leave the ribbons all over the place, I never get a solid color. And I think that I would like to play with a solid color. I think I need to switch my glasses. Alright, there we go. I think I need to play with a solid color, and I think I'm just going to allow myself to use the white pearl to see how this goes, because I can always do something with that. But this is, yeah, there we go. We're doing Floetrol additives again. And if I like how that looks, that's great. And if I don't, I'll do something different. So let me get that out of there, because I might or might not use that this time. And let me just I think what I want is to go ahead and add some more, because I'm having a pretty good time with that. And as much as I thought I was going to tip that, I'm not entirely sure I am anymore. I did want to cover that spot though. Now this is an Anita's white metallic. And I can't actually turn my turntable. Boy, I just want to keep going. I just want to keep going and add more white paint. And whatever I decide to do after that is really, wow. Okay then. I don't even know where that went. But I do know I have what I have, and that's all there is to it. So I'll just make the best of it. If I put the shovel down and tip it a little bit, I get some interesting, it's sort of like calligraphy. Maybe I need to turn the other way because I'm running into my tripod this way. But I want to do something down here, and I'm not sure you can see all of that, but I'll give it a shot. I'm just going to hand feed the shovel right now. Want to try my dustpan. I like the random marks when it doesn't come out of the shovel straight. I think that's excellent. I really like it a lot. Leaving the black background is very cool. I could just leave this until tomorrow after I get what I want. And I don't know what that is yet. But I am having a good time doing it, whatever it is. And I am learning in the process what I can and what I can't do. With my shovel, I still want to tip And I could really just throw some black right in there, but that might come next. And then I'm going to tip it right back the other direction. I know you guys can't see most of this. This is a real experiment. I even can't see most of this, but I got an idea of what's happening. I have done things like this on much larger canvases and had a very good time doing them. Let me see if I can get that. It's a huge canvas for this size turntable. So I am going to wind up having to go buy some more Anitas, I think, because I don't have a lot more left inside. I just used it to make something else. Yep, I'm just tipping it and letting it run. I think I can get these two things hooked up together if I'm lucky. I want to put some gold in there only because I know it will run, and I'm basically having some really interesting new fun right now. I'm going to put some of that right across the front of my shovel this time and see if I can use it as a drawing tool. I've got silver today too. I found some silver I had. I can also just take my bottle and squeeze it on. See how far I want to go with that. Maybe add some to the missing areas. Maybe not. And I think that I can pull out my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. This really is feeling like it might be the stage one of something to come. I'm not sure what that is. But it's kind of fun to find out. I don't want to waste the little bit of paint that's left in my shovel. I can take the black. And add it to this, of course. I'm going to give myself permission to come back over here. Take advantage of the negative space. Make some marks. It's strange to start with just white, you know? I sort of gotta keep moving or I'll lose the fluidity of the paint. It'll start to dry because it is Florida and it is hot. Can I have a little more paint, please? Maybe I should just stop using the shovel and go ahead and use the squeeze bottle. I like the dots. could think is I've got all those little splashes from earlier. Well, I've got a shovel full of paint and a desire to use it up. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and give myself permission to do that in whatever way occurs to me, including splashes, evidently. I'd like to make sure I use my paint. Oh, that must have been a bubble. Before I lose the availability of it. I know that's probably outside of your range of view. I think it must be time to see what the black is going to do. And I do have bamboo skewers. I got 4 minutes left. I'm still very tempted by the gold. I see that I want to merge. Not perfectly happy with my composition yet, but I'm getting there. Definitely not there yet. The sun, she just came out. I want to tip it again. I want to just keep having some fun. And that is kind of fun, I gotta say. So, what now? I have no idea. I could just keep going. Because I recommend fun, and this is that. But I want it to be the gold, and I know how runny that gold is because it's my gold with mica powder. On the other side of that coin, I probably don't need to do anything because it's actually pretty cool the way it is. Especially this down here. I really like this. Maybe a skinnier bottle of black would be nice. Whoops. I don't believe that there's going to be any torching today, although there probably should be anyway. I think I'm just going to keep going with the flow and my instincts. I hope you can see most of that. Although it's pretty tippy. I can put my bamboo skewer in there. I'm not really dragging much of anything anywhere. It's all shovel or squeeze bottle applied. That tells me I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I want to tell you. And that's shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you if you want to help me out. There's all kinds of cool stuff on there. The gold mica powder is there. The where are they? The OXO omelet turning spatulas are there. The Princeton art tool catalyst or spatulas are there. There are silicone basting brushes there. And all kinds of paint and canvases and everything cool to go shopping and get what you need to have some fun playing with paint. Anyway, so I'm kind of still thinking that this is stage 1. And I'm liking what I'm having happen. And you're going to be gone soon, so I should tell you I do sell my artwork. If you have an interest in some artwork, just ask me on YouTube and I'll give you an email and reply. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill. Probably not for this exact kind of creation. And there's over 60,000 of you. Thank you so much, all you guys, for being here. The more videos you watch, the better my chances of surviving as a YouTube artist are. The longer you watch them, the same thing. If you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It tells the YouTube algorithm that I'm fabulous and that you want to see more of my stuff. And other people might want to see more of my stuff too. Ooh, I don't think I like that over there. I'm not sure you can see what I'm doing anywhere. But I've got 1 minute left to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you, and I've told you most things other than the fact that I have Pinterest and Instagram and Facebook albums at the bottom of the YouTube description underneath the video, where my paint pouring recipe is also. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, have a look under the video description. On my Facebook pages there are groups, and there are also products affiliated with Fine Art America and Pixels.com and Curios. I think I even have a Saatchi account I ignore most of the time. So I love you guys. Thank you for everything. I love your comments. Appreciate that very much. Might as well make them into real dots, the little spatters. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, going, thank you for joining me. I'll see you hopefully in the next video, and check out the end screens where there are over 600 videos on a playlist. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.